So I believe you guys have set up the N8N, and you will going to have N8N like this. Now we will going to cover a very important concept of credentials. Now in your N8N you will see your credentials. So guys, see, the thing is that whenever you want to do automations with any app, so you need to connect that to N8N. Just understand it in a very simple way. Now in N8N, if you will click on this drop down, click on get credentials, you will see there are plenty of different apps like Adalo, Affinity, Airtable, Airtop. Scroll down, you will see a lot of apps. So guys, these are all known as apps like Converter Kit, which is a popular email marketing service, Datadog, and so on. Even Discord, okay, and more. So if you want to use, let's say, any of this application inside, anything, so you need to connect them. Suppose, let's say, if you will see when we will teach you about how you can build your LinkedIn automation. So here we will use Google Sheets, Google product. If you will see other ones, so here we will going to use Airtable app. Here we have used Google Sheet app. So let's say if you go ahead and see if you search for Google Sheets, you will see this Google Sheets. Open it. It will ask you client ID and client secret. Once you provide this, then Google Sheets will be connected, then you can use it inside your application. Now question arises, how you can get the client ID and client secret. So my dear friends, follow this. Just go to Kuku courses. I have my website where I have provided all the tutorials for the credentials. Okay, if you open this my website, go to library, click on free library. Once you go here, you can just search here, let's say N8N credentials, and you will see this one, N8N credentials and integrations. Otherwise you can also come here and to this one, N8N credentials and integrations, and simply click on this view button over here. Now it will open all the services you can see over here. So this page is about how you can set up N8N with Google product, including Gmail, Sheets, etc. OpenAI, Airtable, Pincone, LinkedIn, and maybe in future when you will visit this page, more will be added. So let's say in our case we will going to use Google Sheets. So just make sure that you go over here and click on this view button to connect Google service, okay, with your N8N. You can see this video will going to guide you. Just play the video, and this video will teach you how you can do integration with Google. And once you do that, you will going to get, like we have told you, you need client ID and client secret. So once you watch this video, you will get the client ID and client secret, which you can paste it here to connect this Google Sheet, and you can use it for your automation. Similarly, let's say we will going to use, let's say, Airtable. So Airtable is another app, we will talk about it. So it requires to put API key. Now how you can get the API key? For again, if you want to, let's say, connect Airtable, you can see this app, click on view button, and this will show you one video about how you can do N8N integration with Airtable. Watch this, and then you will going to get the API key, and boom, you can then connect it. So right now all you need to do and understand is that credentials basically allow you to use different apps, okay, with N8N, and on that basis you can build automations and AI agents. So now it's your homework to just go to my website and watch these two tutorials about, let's say, Google and Airtable. Okay, This is something important. And another thing is that we will also going to use LinkedIn social media automation. So for that, make sure that you also watch this LinkedIn one. Click on view button, and here you can see this video on LinkedIn integration and then integration with LinkedIn. Also watch this video as well. So once you watch all of these tutorials, then you can go ahead, connect them, and we can use it inside our automations. Okay,